The Metaverse is a great place to put your money if you want to try something new and exciting. The Metaverse is a high-tech digital world where people can make and trade virtual goods. In the last few years, it has become more and more popular, and now there are dozens of ways to invest in the Metaverse. In this video, we'll discuss 6 of the most popular methods for investing in the Metaverse. There's something for everyone, whether you're a new investor or an old pro. But before we start our video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon as well. So let's get started. What is the Metaverse? The word Metaverse refers to a collection of interconnected virtual worlds that share resources. This world is accessible over the internet, and within it, users can hold conversations with one another in a simulated environment. The Metaverse is home to many online games, social media websites, digital collectors, and other types of content as well. Over the course of the last few years, an ever-increasing number of people have shown an interest in the Metaverse. The reason for this is that technology has progressed, and blockchain was recently implemented. This has allowed for an increase in the number of people who use the internet, participate in online gaming, and develop our own digital goods. The fact that the Metaverse provides a one-of-a-kind experience that is not available anywhere else in the physical world is another reason for its rising popularity. In the Metaverse, you are free to assume whatever identity you like and to engage in any activity you desire. You are free to act however you like and travel to any location you select. In a world where increased censorship and asset restrictions are becoming the norm, this freedom, along with digital ownership, has seen tremendous growth in recent years. You can take a break from the world as you know it and experience something completely different when you enter the Metaverse. The Metaverse is the place to be if you are looking for an intriguing activity to participate in. Different ways you can invest in the Metaverse. Number 1. Buy Metaverse Crypto. You have the option of making an investment in the digital money that underpins the Metaverse that you have chosen. For instance, if you have a strong affection for Decentraland and want to find out more about how effective they are, you can consider purchasing some of their cryptocurrency, Mana. The basic proposition of this argument is that an increase in the number of people utilizing and adopting Decentraland Metaverse would lead to an increase in the value of their token. If you held on to your Mana tokens, the value of your investment would increase as well. It should come as no surprise that putting money into this type of cryptocurrency involves some degree of risk. Number 2. Acquire Metaverse Virtual Land. You might also try becoming more active in the Metaverse and purchasing some virtual land in the version of it that you find most appealing to you. The strategy behind this investment would be the same as it is in the real world. You would attempt to purchase land with the intention of selling it in the future after its value has increased. The price that someone will pay will, in the same way that conventional land prices are determined, be dependent on supply and demand. In addition, this will depend on the community that is present in the Metaverse as well as the amenities that it has to offer. Number 3. Rent Metaverse buildings. When you buy land in the Metaverse that already has structures on it, you can rent those buildings out to other users just like you would in the real world. You can charge a high or low rent fee for your land and structures depending on the size, location, and purpose of each of these factors. You might also have to contend with other landlords who provide the same service at a lower cost than you do.
Do you enjoy our content? Want to learn more about crypto or finance in general? Don't forget to check out our other videos and shorts after this one.
Number 4. Invest in companies related to the Metaverse ecosystem. This is a typical strategy that investors use to gain some exposure to a certain asset or investment opportunity without taking on as much risk as they would if they invested directly in the asset or opportunity. For instance, if the concept of investing in the Metaverse appeals to you, but you don't want to buy a specific cryptocurrency that operates in the Metaverse, you may invest in companies that operate in the Metaverse. Meta, formerly known as Facebook, is in the process of developing its very own Metaverse. Therefore, it provides individuals with the opportunity to gain knowledge on the Metaverse without going all in on it. Number 5. Metaverse NFT. BetaShares has put out an ETF called Metaverse. This strategy includes using more traditional ways to invest money, like an ETF, to put money into companies that invest in or do business in the metaverse. This ETF follows the performance of 32 companies that have something to do with the metaverse, like Meta, Roblox, and Nvidia, to name a few. Also, this is a good way to get more people to know about your investment platform. Number 6. Create or trade Metaverse NFTs. You could also buy NFTs to invest in Metaverse. Platforms like Immutable X make it easy to make NFTs for free and give users a place to trade them openly. These NFTs can be used in many of their games and in games they are making now and in the future. All these games take place in the metaverse, so this could be another way to learn more about it. Number 7. Metaverse games. Our recommendation for the most effective approach to invest in the metaverse is to do so through either the top metaverse NFT projects or through metaverse gaming. This subgenre of game has experienced meteoric expansion over the course of the past year, spurred in large part by high-profile initiatives such as Decentraland and The Sandbox. Despite this, there is a steady stream of launches of smaller projects that aim to profit on the achievements of those that came before them. To put it succinctly, metaverse games are exactly what their name implies. They are gaming platforms that are located within the metaverse. The fact that many of the best coins in the metaverse are native to these gaming projects makes it possible for them to function faultlessly. The degree of immersion that video games are able to provide for players is one of the things that makes them so enticing to gamers. Develop for the metaverse. Okay, this last one doesn't really have anything to do with putting money into the metaverse, but it does mean putting money into the ecosystem. If you are a great developer, you could use your time and skills to make games or infrastructure for projects in the metaverse. This could help build the ecosystem of the metaverse and give you a way to make money from your knowledge and skills. There are a lot of game studios that have done well by making games for the metaverse. Metaverse. There are also ways that traditional businesses can use the metaverse trend to their advantage. This includes hosting virtual events, which can give you more ways to make money since in-person events often have a limited number of spots. Other platforms want to use NFTs for member passes and to give their customers more value. Final thoughts. There are many ways to put your time, money, or knowledge to work in the metaverse. It looks like more and more people are using the virtual world, and the metaverse is building a strong ecosystem around it. So that's it for today. We hope you found our video interesting. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with others. Also, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new uploads. In the end, thanks for watching and see you next time.